Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chitin Corner. Today, I'm diving deep into the world of Mucorales, the fast-growing, flesh-eating fungi. If you're a mycologist or a medical lab science student, this one's for you. Now, Mucorales aren't just your average fungi. They're clinically significant and known for causing serious infections like Mucormycosis and fungal necrotizing fasciitis. These infections can progress frighteningly fast, and if you're not quick to notify providers, the consequences can be devastating. Let's take a closer look at the microscopic structure of some key genera in this family: Rhizopus, Mucor, Rhizomycor, and Absidia. Starting with Rhizopus, these fungi have broad, ribbon-shaped aseptate or sparsely septate hyphae. Interestingly, these hyphae are often visible to the naked eye as individual strands. At the base of their sporangiophores, you'll find tiny root-like structures called rhizoids. When you spot these rhizoids, you're most likely looking at a Rhizopus species. Next up, we have Mucor species. Unlike Rhizopus, Mucor lacks rhizoids altogether. Then there's Rhizomycor, which serves as an intermediate between Rhizopus and Mucor. It has rhizoids but not at the base of the sporangiophores. Fascinating, right? And finally we have Absidia species. These fungi have a pear-shaped sporangium, thanks to a structure called an apophysis. What's unique about these fungi is that you only need to examine them on low power, typically 10x magnification because their structures are so large. But let's not forget the clinical significance. Mucormycosis and fungal necrotizing fasciitis can kill tissue nearly as fast as these fungi grow, which is incredibly fast. In culture, you can witness their speed of growth in just a single day. Rhizopus species in particular are known as lid lifters because they can push the petri dish lid off if it's not taped or sealed. Imagine that kind of speed in diabetic or immunocompromised patients. The necrosis can be devastating. That's why it's crucial for us, as mycologists and medical lab scientists, to stay vigilant and act quickly. The more we understand these organisms, the better we can manage and treat these infections. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of fungi. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of fungi, or as I like to call it, the Chitin Corner.